Even the dogs gotta stop and smell the flowers. Or just eat the tall grass. Hey guys, back in the dog yard. Surprise, surprise. And I got me another buckle. But this one I do believe is for suspenders. Please correct me if I'm wrong. And it looks like it could have some writing on the front of it. Maybe, maybe not. Don't know. Give her a little pant rub. Looks like a spaceship to me. I don't know, guys. You look through the camera, huh? I gotta look over. I can't quite make heads or tails. So, looks pretty cool. Gotta get a toothbrush on this one. Full of dirt, and there's still some noise coming from that hole there. So, I gotta dig a little bit more. I just pulled out a nice big old piece of glass and a big piece of tin foil. Already threw that away, but so yeah, it looks like possibly initials or maybe just some pattern or something, but alright. Very cool, very cool. Welcome back, Mr. Buckle. Maybe a belt buckle? Oops. Yep. Mine now. Stop it. Alright, gotta go. See you. Hey diggers. Another hole in the dog yard. Dogs retreated to the deck. They're in the shade. But I think I found a little piece of a lantern. I don't know. Don't know. Kind of looks like a wick or something might go up through there, but who knows? Who knows? Alright. Other than a few square nails, my little, I don't know, 6, 7, 8 holes I think I just dug were all pretty much garbage. So, alright. Welcome back, whatever you are. It sounded good though. Man, did it. Alright, gotta go. See you. Yeah, the dogs decided to come down and see what I was up to. She walked away. But I got me a cool find. I think I got me the other shoe buckle. Oh, it looks very similar. Oh, yes, except this one's not bent. There's no back on it either. Oh, sweet. I believe that is the same shoe buckle. Oh, that's so cool. It rang up like a solid 70s. Awesome. Awesome. Nice. I got a pair. Alright, diggers. Let me see what else is out here. Alright, before the bottom feeders come back. They're hanging out by the kennel. Alright, gotta go. See ya. Oh yeah, welcome back, Mr. Buckle. Or Mrs. Buckle. Welcome back. Alright, gotta go. See ya. Well, here we go again, diggers. Another hole. Another, I don't know what. Treasure. Kind of looks like. Could have been a little, maybe lipstick case? I don't know, guys. This looks kind of interesting. There's something a little fancy on the sides. And it's still closed. I think there might even be writing on there. I don't have my digging pants on, or else I give her a nice little rub. So, it's got a little weight to it too. That's going to be interesting. Old makeup lipstick case or something. Very neat, very neat. That rang up in the 40s. You got up into the 60s a couple shots, but very cool. It's got some weight to it, like I said. Wonder what's in it. Alright. We'll see more at the wrap up. Clean it up then. Alright, guys. See ya. No, here he comes. Gotta go. Yeah. Another makeup case, maybe? Possibly? Very cool. Still swinging around in the yard. Dogs are inside enjoying the air conditioning. So, Very neat, very neat. I'll clean it up. Possibly another lipstick container. Very cool. Alright. Welcome back. Alright guys, see you at the next. What makes a hunk of steel like this sound so good? Can anyone tell me that? Well, I just had a really neat find. I found me a penny. It is a memorial. We can get that to flip over and come in focus for you. There we go. Might be able to see it now. So, that guy got hit by a lawnmower. He was actually down there pretty good too. Looks like he's a zinc. So, I'm surprised there's anything left of him. That's pretty neat, pretty neat. Alright, well, sorry. I think I was a little too late to welcome this guy back. Alright guys, I'll see you at the next. There we go. See you. Alright diggers, I know you can't see this. This is why I don't do this stuff. Way down the bottom of the hole, you see that little round thing? There's something down here. It's still buried a bit. So, let's see what it is together. Looks like a little buckle. Does get writing on it though. USA. Woohoo. Chest. Let me write this off on a towel. Here. USA chest something. Let me give this a little toothpick. I'll be right back. Alright, there you go. USA Chester. I have to look it up. Doesn't look old. It's a modern snap type thing, but it's kind of like on something pretty hard. So I can't imagine that being a piece of clothing. But I'll look it up. Alrighty, welcome back, little button. Snap. Whatever you are. Welcome back. Woo! Gotta find more. See ya. Here we go again, guys. Here we go again. Still in the dog yard, and I believe I got myself another buckle. Shoe buckle, I hope. I'm guessing. I just dropped the back half of that down there. Fell off, if you see what I'm saying. This one's a little bit more fancy than the last one. Very neat. Came out of the hole with a bunch of trash. There's some big nails up there. Yeah, you see that little copper pipe. That was in another hole, but there was about 5 or 6 nails down there with it. Very nice. Very nice. That's going to look pretty cleaned up. Very cool. All right. I'm excited. Who knew? I get my first shoe buckle out of my own backyard, and my second, and my third, and they're a pair. Well, at least the first two were matching. All right, very cool. Gotta see if I can find the other half of this one. Woohoo! Gotta go. See you guys. Hey diggers, that's the school lot over there. I'll be taking some of those branches off those trees again. Alright, real quick, what did we get this week? We got a cool little shard. We got some cool stuff up at the top. I want you guys to tell me what you think this is. I'm pretty sure I know what this is. Leave it in the comments below. We got a few bullets. We got a 20, 25, I believe, 22, and a 12 gauge. A couple lipstick containers. This one's got some weight to it, guys. I haven't opened it yet. It is a Revlon. It says on the bottom. And it is the no schmear type. So, that's kind of neat. But it is very heavy. Let me know if you know what that is. Tell me if I should open that or not. The next one I did open. I had to, but it was red lipstick. Nothing much left in there. So, but this does have some writing on the top. Not a whole heck of a lot though. Actually comes out better on this. So, but yeah, very cool. A couple items up here. You guys seen the bent penny and 1959 memorial. I gotta thank a buddy for having me come over to one of his permissions real quick there for about an hour, and we pulled this out of a field, believe it or not. He's the one that spotted the date, so hey, I know you're watching this, so thank you, man, thank you. We're gonna have to do some more around there, huh? Alright, couple other things. This I don't know what it is, but it was something. It was all one piece at one point, but not anymore. A couple snaps. That's the USA Chester. This one I didn't record because I didn't think it was much of a snap, but it looks like it's a little older snap, but still not much left. The cool stuff. I got me 3 more buckle types. I got me the matching pair to the one from last week. Very neat. I'm super excited about that. So I know they at least come in a pair. So they got, if they're not shoe buckles, I don't know what they are. But also got me a third one. This one's a little bit more ornate. This one's very nice. And it's got the same type of backing to it as the other styles. Just the bar with the hole. And lastly, I got this one here. And can't quite find the emblem online, but it does have an R on it. Very neat, very neat. So if you guys have any thoughts or if you've seen something like this, let me know. Drop it in the comments below. Alright guys, that's the finds for this week's dog yard hunt. Next week we hopefully will have some more cool stuff for you. Maybe a little different things going on. I gave you a little teaser a couple weeks ago. I'm still working on that one. So we are looking for some giants. Alright guys, we'll see you.